Guys, how to cut a petal sleeve. Okay, now for you to cut a petal sleeve you need your basic measurement, your basic sleeve rather. Okay, you need your basic sleeve. Now this is my basic sleeve. I'm trying to cut it. This is the height I'm going for is 12 and the width here is 10. Okay, basic sleeve for you to be able to cut petal sleeve. All right, so I'm trying to draft out my basic sleeve. So our basic sleeve, and the person's roundness of sleeve is actually 9 and 8.5. So the person's roundness of sleeve is 17. So I'm marking yeah, this is 16 plus 1 inch sewing allowance. All right, so my basic sleeve is actually what I'm cutting. So for you to do that, you have to get your basic sleeve first. It is compulsory you get your basic sleeve for you to be able to cut petal sleeve. All right, okay, this is my basic sleeve. Okay, this is it for us to cut. Now this is the center of my sleeve. Now I have cut it. This is it. Now this is my center. All right, now what I'm about to do can be done either side, wherever you choose to. So from here, I'll take 4 inches. All right, 4 inches from the other end. So from here, 4 inches. Okay, and you come here. I like to go by 3.5. It's okay. You mark 3.5. Then you connect it from here. Now, this will be the from here to here will be the part that will be open. So you measure. This is about 5.5 inches open. I'm okay with it. Okay, with this length of opening. If you're not okay with it, you indicate where you want it to be. Then try to connect using this. All right, you get me? But I'm okay with this, so I will not go with this. Now another thing is I like to have it curved. I don't want it straight. I like it, especially down here, I would like it curved a little bit. So I always use my curve to curve it. So it will not be sharp. So from here, you give it a curve. I don't want it, but you can equally go with this. So if you prefer it straight, but I like it curved. All right, so time to cut. Now, not useful. This part is not useful. This is what I'll use as my pattern. This is what I'll use as my pattern. So guys, you place it on your fabric, okay, and cut. That is what I'm doing right now. Now this fabric is folded into four pieces. This is it's folded into four. So you cut it out, all right? Trace it on the fabric. Once you've done that, please, before you take out this, you need to know where the center is. Very important. You notch it where the center is. Once you have notched it, all of them, the four pieces, all right? At least with this, you know where your center is. Then you turn it with lining. All right, this is how it will look. This is how it will look when you cut it. Hope you can see it very well. Right, so that is my petal sleeve. Right now what I'll do is cut the lining. Here will be folded. Anyway, let me cut the lining, turn it and show you. So guys, this is what I'll be using for my inner, okay? What I just need to do is place it and cut. Fold more. Yeah, this is it. Now just cut this. I folded it into four. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll still get 4 pieces I got on the sleeve, okay? So make sure you place it very well before you cut. Yep. So that is it. Okay. That is the lining, all right? The inner. Let me turn it. So guys, I've turned it with my inner, okay? Blue inner. So what I'll do right now is place it this way first, okay? So what I need to do first, guys, is to get my center. You already know our center, okay? Pin it. So guys, this is my center, okay? So I've pinned it, all right? Now once you have pinned it, so guys, I've pinned it, okay? The next thing right now for us to do is fold it into 2, right? Then you do your shaping. Your normal shaping, the way you shape your dress, okay? The way you attach your sleeve, okay? If it's this way, this is the shaping, for example, of your sleeve. You sew down here, all right? Once you sew down, you attach it to your sleeve. Here will be the armhole of the dress. Let me do that and show you. So guys, I've sewed it up, right? I held here, then I equally shaped it. See the shaping I did, all right? So the next thing right now is to attach our sleeve. When you attach it, this is how it will look. This is the outcome, okay? See the two of them, that is how it will look, that opening. That is how it will look on the dress. So let me attach it on the dress. You see it? So guys, the sleeve has been attached. This is how it will look, okay? When you attach it to the dress. This is it. How it will look. So that is it. Our sleeve.